The Cameroon Association of English-Speaking Journalists, known by its acronym CAMASEJ, has re-elected Viban Jude as national president during an elective general assembly that took place in Bamenda, Northwest Regional Capital.
We declare Viban Jude and his team winners of CAMASEJ elections 2023. Congratulations.
This was Saturday, December 16, 2023 at Ayaba Hotel. The General Assembly started with welcoming and registration of delegates. They were delighted to meet their colleagues from different regions, which created a serene and convivial atmosphere while the registration went on. The General Assembly started later, and after a few introductory events, came the presentation of the $300,000 grant secured from the Open Society Initiative for West Africa, giving details on different dimensions of the grant project. The chapter presidents presented their reports, then the incumbent followed with a report. After a tense moment, a series of activities followed in a tense atmosphere, which suspended the assembly for lunch, then elections. Viban Jude, Cham Victor, and Sir Terence were nominated as candidates for the position of the national president of the association. Sir Terence then dropped his candidacy in support of Cham Victor, who presented him as his running mate for Secretary General if he won. According to elections results, out of 135 voters, 54 voted for Cham Victor and 79 made Viban Jude the winner of the elections. Viban Jude elected on November 30th, 2019 in Douala, and Viban Jude elected on December 16, 2023 in Bamenda without fraud is a sign of his potential. As he returns with another mandate, he promised a better CAMASEJ.
Ladies and gentlemen, a lot has been talked about unification, bringing people together. We will do our best to bring everybody together, and we have to see the importance of belonging to CAMASEJ. We have to see the importance of working together so that we can achieve a common victory. So the victory of today is for CAMASEJ. It isn't the victory of a team leader or the list leader.
Cham Victor accepted the choice of his colleagues and congratulated him, stating, "It is time to reunite and foster that much needed unity. Let's look forward with optimism and believe in the renewed mandate of the current executive. We can do better together. Congratulations, Mr. Viban Jude and team." Jude, Viban and his team will therefore lead CAMASEJ for another 4 years, within which members expect him to build strength in unity, solidarity, and continue taking CAMASEJ to different levels.